Today we will talk about GPT-3 API integration with WhatsApp. We have built a WhatsApp bot which will create the travel itinerary for the destination of your choice. We call this bot as TravelGate. Before we see TravelGate in action, let's look at its architecture. We have integrated WhatsApp channel using Meta Cloud APIs. Meta provides a WhatsApp business platform which allows you to create WhatsApp business account, which is vital for you to get started. Meta provides a test number on which your bot will be reachable. You can also use your phone number so that it can be used as a business account for other users. For this, WhatsApp will charge you according to their pricing plan. The link for WhatsApp business platform and Meta APIs is provided in the description. Once you have the number on which your bot is reachable and a message is sent to this number, we need to respond to this interaction. We have built a Springboot application which will steer the conversation and process business logic. We call it as botcontroller. But how will this botcontroller be invoked? For that, Meta provides webhook configuration which allows us to configure the API URL as a callback API with bot's phone number. What happens now is whenever the user sends a message to your bot, the callback API will be invoked and your logic will be executed. Based on your use case, you can write business logic like database dev, CRM integration and file operations required to form the response, which will be presented as bot's reply to the user's message. Keep in mind that your application needs to be internet facing. You can use ngrok to expose your local application on the internet. You can watch our previous video for more information on ngrok. Link is in the description. Moving on, in our case, TravelGate bot takes origin city, destination city and trip duration from the user and send it to the bot controller. Bot controller forms the request using these input parameters and invokes OpenAI's GPT-3 powered completions API. It then parses the JSON response to extract the travel itinerary created by GPT-3. After that, it generates a PDF file which contains this itinerary and sends back to the user. We are using iText library for PDF generation as shown in the utility module. Another component in our utility module is user session management, which means we keep the user session alive for 10 minutes during which the chat context is maintained. After the session is expired, context is lost and conversation is restarted. We have used Java hash map based custom logic for session management. For complex scenarios and large user base, we can leverage solutions like Redis session management. Here are the prerequisites for building this bot. Please go through these if you would like to give it a try. Now let's watch TravelGate in action. Here we already have saved Meta's test number as TravelGate bot and I'm going to start the conversation by saying hello. It's asking me how it would like to address me. How about Mona? Next, it needs the destination city, let's say San Francisco and Los Angeles. Origin city would be, let's give Bangalore. How many days? 7 days. Now in the background, a query is formed using these inputs and sent to OpenAI's completions API, which is working on building a travel plan for San Francisco and Los Angeles. Our itinerary is ready now and sent in the PDF format. Let's open this PDF. You can see that 7 days plan is laid out here and it's quite impressive. That's all for now. If you haven't played with ChatGPT yet, please give it a try. It's fun. We hope you liked this integration. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.